Hi everyone, it's Lonnie back here for another video, and today I'm unboxing one thing, not two, one. I already unboxed this. I already unboxed this. Put this back. So, I'm unboxing the Dart Zone Cover-Ops Power Bolt Belt Blaster. So let's open this. So we'll need a pair of scissors. Back. Oh, yeah. That hurt. This too. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then I think this is the last piece of undo. Oh yeah, then here and here. So we have the gun itself. Can we use this belt now? Oh, we don't. And we also have to get this. Can I get it? Okay, got one piece. Got it. Oh, this too. Oh. This. Bam. There you have it. The Dart Zone. So this has two tactical rails. You bend this, or you press this button. You press this button, then bend it to put the chain in. Open this, and there's no trigger, so it's like the future. And so let's just put this aside, and let's open up the 36 darts. So we have one chain, and we have another chain, and then we have 36 darts. Oh, and guys, go check out. Oh, seriously? Go check out Popular MMOs and the Toy Toys Clubhouse. They're amazing. And then instructions, boring. Okay, almost got the 36 darts. Bam. Got the 36 darts out. So we're gonna cut this in half. And bam, and don't want to cut the bullet, so then first pack of darts. So you load this in one by one. Oh gosh. So you load it like this. All you have to do is put the bullets in. So meanwhile, this will be a good time to talk or bathroom break. You guys can go use restroom if you want. Just load this up, and then you're gonna have to open the other pack. Whoa! Sorry guys about that. The camera fell. And sorry if a finger is in front of the camera too. Sorry. That's fine. So, and we have the other darts, I guess. And then you reload it. So, guys, please like and subscribe if you guys do want to see more videos like this of me unboxing, I don't know, Nerf guns and stuff, power bolt stuff. That was not a sound effect. So, yeah. Whoa. I'm gonna load the other one up. Bam and bam. So we're gonna test this out. So Kylo Ren, you're gonna be my target. Open this. Oops. No, I have to do this. This is what okay, finally. Okay, this is what I meant to do. So, let's get up. And this. Shoot Kylo Ren. If you ever need more ammo, just take this out, put this like this, bam, stuff this in. I killed Kylo Ren. And that's how you kill a post. Now I have to fix this. So, yeah. So that's the power belt blaster. Buy it now if you want to shoot your friends with it. And I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Click like if you guys do want to see more video content like this. And subscribe now, because I'm going to be shooting people with this gun. My friends are going down. Oh, there's still more. Time to die, Kylo Ren. Okay. Now, prepare. Now, I'm done. Peace, guys. Have a nice day.